So friends, let's see today's lovely recipe of tomato saar. Now here I've taken 4 medium-sized tomatoes, washed them really well. Try to use fresh tomatoes for this saar recipe. It does make a difference with the taste. Now I'm just going to cut off the tips of the tomatoes. And then I'm just going to chop them up. So this tomato saar is really very refreshing and it goes really well with some plain rice. You can have it all by itself also. So I'm just showing you how to cut the tomatoes. This is another angle, a little closer look of how to cut the tomatoes. Because I do have a lot of beginners watching my recipes, and they do ask me to show how to chop the tomatoes or whatever ingredients I'm using. So I hope this is helpful. So now let's go on with the rest of the ingredients for this lovely tomato saar recipe. So this is our 4 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. These are 2 light green chillies that I've just cut up into halves, 4 cloves of garlic chopped fine, 7 to 8 curry leaves that I've chopped fine. This is about 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, 10 peppercorns, and I'm going to use half a teaspoon each of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and asafoetida. Now all the ingredients with their measurements will be in the description box below. Now I'm going to take a vessel which I can use in my pressure pan, and I'm going to add the tomatoes to it. We're going to add the green chilies, the curry leaves. We're going to add the peppercorns as well as the garlic and the coconut. Now we're going to mix all of this really well together. So use a vessel that is, you can put it into your pressure cooker or your pressure pan. And now I'm going to add about 1 cup of water, or just enough so that covers up the mixture. Now I've put about 3 cups of water in my pressure pan. I've put this into the pressure pan, and now we're going to cook it for 1 whistle on high, and then we're going to cook it on simmer or on a very low flame for 10 minutes. After that, let the pressure pan cool completely. And once that is done, the mixture will look like this, where everything is nice and cooked. So let this cool completely again. Then I'm just going to grind this. I've taken out the water and I'm going to grind this in my mixer, and then I'm going to add a little water at a time. And we want a very fine paste of this mixture. Now once that is done, I'm going to strain the mixture through a sieve or a colander. Now this is completely optional, but we like the real smooth kind of texture to the saar. But if you don't mind having pieces of it, you can go ahead and not strain the liquid. Now I've just taken a pan. This is the liquid. It looks like this, the tomato and the other ingredient mixture. Now I've heated my pan and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of ghee. Now adding ghee to the saar also makes a difference to the flavor of the saar. So instead of using oil, try to use ghee. Now once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add in my mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to pop, I'm going to add the cumin seeds, which is jeera, and the asafoetida, which is hinga. So this jeera also, really flavors this saar very, very nicely. Now we're going to add this tomato mixture or the tomato puree that we prepared. Now I've also added the water to this puree, the water that was there in the vessel when we cooked all the tomatoes and the other ingredients. So that is also added. And just stir everything really well together. Now we're going to bring this, we're going to cook it for a while. First we're going to add some salt to taste. And I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of sugar, or as per your taste. So you can taste the saar and just see whether you want it more sweet. So you can add sugar as per your taste. Stir everything really well together. And then we're going to let this come to a gentle boil, stirring in between. So you're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then just simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then add some lovely freshly chopped coriander as garnish. And then just cook it for about half a minute or so. And the aroma of the saar is also so amazing. And even the coconut added to it, changes the entire flavor and just makes it very, very delicious. And that's it, friends. Our tomato saar is ready. And it goes very well with some lovely steamed rice or cooked rice. So I hope you try out this recipe. I'll catch you in my next video soon. Take care. Bye. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.